literally tens of thousands of trading courses on the internet. Everyone claims to be a guru nowadays, and it is indeed frustrating. If you're looking for the right guidance, then there is a firm, Forex Platinum Trading, which is a new platform that claims to equip retail traders with both the training and the tools required to make consistent profits. So today I'll be talking about Forex Platinum Trading Review, genuine or not. Unlike a lot of programs, they don't make any exaggerated claims, but sadly, they don't provide enough evidence to support their statement as well. The founders of this firm are not well known in the community. Moreover, we didn't find any solid data about the user feedback as well. Generally speaking, quality education program cost a fortune as the kind of value they provide is going to be immense. On the other side of the spectrum, there are a lot of cheap courses which sell nothing but quick riches rare. So always be careful about things you want to buy and never let your emotions get the best out of you. If you're looking to buy a training program for Forex Platinum Trading, then stick with me till the end. Trust is an important element of every business regardless of whether it is based online or offline. Many trading courses establish themselves on social media platforms or through seminars in order to earn people's good faith. This platform surprisingly shares details about the instructors, and we did find a few details about them on their website. Unfortunately, the format is too generic and there are no specific LinkedIn profiles or other social media platforms linked to them. Simply put, we didn't find any way to validate the statement, and that doesn't help them in terms of credibility. The narrative put up by them mainly contains vague rigs to riches stories but without any evidence. In short, as of now, we have to give them the benefit of the doubt. Nonetheless, don't believe everything they say unless you see the facts firsthand. After all, one wrong decision can cost you thousands of dollars, right? The platform has been around for a little over a year at the time of writing this review. Oddly, there isn't that much user feedback about them. On the bright side, they do feature few contact details on the platform in order to enable effective communication between them and the public. Obviously, we cannot comment anything about the quality of the support staff, and the working hours are also unknown. Basically, there is a level of uncertainty present with most aspects of the business which isn't positive trait. Users can also request a call back from them by filling out their contact form. Just like every successful trading platform, this one doesn't offer one, but a bunch of products. Currently, they have 3 packages which I explained. Online Trading Academy. This course is suitable for beginners who are just starting the trading journey. It is said to contain 15 plus hours of video content which equips the trader with basic understanding of the markets. The exact topics covered by them are not mentioned, but it is more likely to be generic, and the value it offers is subject to individual opinion. If you know your way around the financial sector, the chances are this one is not suitable for you. On the other hand, if you want to learn the basic candlestick pattern, market structures, and the ways of using indicators, then it might be something worth looking into. Cost of the product is not mentioned by them, so we cannot comment on it yet. Group courses. It is undeniable that humans are social beings, and as such we tend to perform better in a community. To bring like-minded people together and set them up for success, this platform does make an effort. Under this category, they make up to 10 students at once and teach them the concept of online trading. Moreover, there is lifetime support offered for the people who purchase this course. Though we cannot be sure of the kind of company you are going to get, if you are looking to connect with the community, it might be the ultimate solution. Online personal mentoring. If you are looking for the best way to get one-on-one mentoring session, then this is the category you have to choose. This package supposedly paves way for the students to connect with the mentors through live classes. All of the sessions are recorded and the clients can download them whenever they want. Exclusive indicators are also said to be made available. We don't know how many classes or hours they allocate per student, but we are pretty sure that this is going to be the costliest program of the bunch. Along with the courses, this platform also offers a lot of training tools such as custom indicator, currency strength meters, and other risk management oriented software. They haven't published any trading history, so we can't assess their accuracy. Moreover, most of the tools they provide aren't really anything unique. Just by surfing on the web, you can find thousands of indicators for free, and things like currency strength meters aren't really that helpful. Even the formulas of the indicators they share with their members are unknown, and for most beginners, experimenting with the indicators might be a daunting task. At the end of the day, the availability of so-called custom indicator doesn't provide much value, and as such it shouldn't affect your decision. Almost all of the trading courses leave behind a trail of breadcrumbs in the form of user feedback and testimonials. People share their experience in the related forums and share their opinion with the strangers who are yet to buy the respective product. As this platform doesn't get much web traffic, the user feedback section on most popular outlet is non-existent, and there is no trace about it on social media platform too. Lack of comment from users is usually a negative sign, and we do have to be careful by dealing with platform like this. We are not suggesting that it is a full-blown hassle, but the facts are saying a different story. Maybe or may be not. Until and unless more reviews about them pops up, we cannot downplay the risk associated with this platform. By now, we hope you understand both the merits and demerits of the offerings. They are certainly not the easiest program to recommend. At the same time, we haven't found any solid evidence of their wrongdoings either. At the end of the day, it all comes down to the money you are comfortable losing. If you think the course is worth and are ready to give them the benefit of the doubt, then you can invest in it. Alternatively, you can wait for some more time and let conscience speak about them. We prefer the second option and recommend our audience to follow the same path as it is conservative. If you have already made a purchase for any reason are trying to get your funds back from them, then do let us know your story. Fill the contact form on a platform and get a free consultation. We will perform all the detective tasks and will let you know the appropriate actions you need to take. Forex Platinum Trading is a vague trading program that promises the same fancy thing as everyone else. The value it brings to the table may not be worth the cost involved. Moreover, most of the information on the topics they teach can be found online for free. So don't purchase their program just yet and let time tell you the kind of actions you need to take. Thank you.